Today's episode of How Guests Left Our Unit.
Okay, so let's check the restroom. So far, so good. Looks like they didn't use our bathroom, but we'll still change that. Next is sink is clean, and purchase sila some of our stuff. There is a mini store like egg and all that. So far, ang bed is like okay na. Limpyo ko lang dining, and then kanil lang kuha nato na nang ilisan. Wala rin stains ang bed. Let's check. Okay, lock ang balcony. Let's check sa balcony. Okay, wala rin problema. Yung si any cigarettes, so meaning wala sila nag-smoke here. So, by far okay lang unit. Clean ra siya. Pindot ra pagbiya sa gas. So, thank you so much.